Hello, this is Micah. Welcome to Aggressive Mastery. I'm working on a video game in Unreal Engine 5 called Roadless. It's Mad Max multiplayer. So what I'm going to do in that is move the MetaHumans over into the Lyra Shooter Kit. Alright. So we're going to do this as fast as possible. Hopefully this is like a 5-minute video because it's extremely easy to do. It's just in the videos I saw, it wasn't very clear cut and straightforward. And so that's what we're going to look for here is I have 5 steps and we're going to just walk through them on a starter blank project. All right, so let's get rid of this and talk about the steps here. You're going to want to go ahead and download the Lyra project from the market. Then you want to go ahead and download the city sample kit and add that into it. So provided you have step 1 completed, we'll go ahead and open up the editor and add and we'll go through these steps on the video, but I'm just walking through these outlines here. We'll go ahead and add the MetaHuman base skeleton to the Lyra compatible skeletons. We'll open up the base SK base, skeletal base, and add the MetaHuman's skeleton to it as a compatible. And then we'll go down and open the crowd player or character blueprint itself and add the animation CopyPose to it for the animation it uses. We'll then copy that crowd character into our cosmetics folder and change the random sequence to select a random one of those characters, and we'll pick 2 of them or we'll pick the same one twice. So this is gonna be pretty quick. All right. Let's go to the editor. When you first open the editor, you're going to go ahead and see probably some errors. First one's going to be just to restart or update your project. But you're also, once you open the crowd characters, you're going to get these additional 2 plugins that may be missing. So go ahead and enable them and restart the editor. And I've already done that as well. All right. Once in the editor, the step 1 is we're going to go ahead and open up. We'll go here and we'll type in SK mannequin. And what we're going to open up here is this one. And this is our Lyra basic skeleton. And what you'll do when you're in here, make sure you're all the way over on the mannequin skeleton, is you'll want to find the asset detail. If you don't have this window, go to Windows, Asset Details, and open it up, and you'll find compatible skeletons as being an option. Go ahead and add in here our MetaHuman, and this was the skeleton base for our crowd samples. That's it. Save. Next, we'll minimize this. We'll go down here again to our content browser. Do another search for BP crowd character, which is the blueprint in our crowd character assets. We'll open this up. We'll click on the skeletal mesh. We'll come over here and we'll assign the animation class in the details to our copy animation pose. This is inside the Lyra project. I'll show you where that is. Well, maybe I will. There we go. All right, compile, save. And then we'll go ahead and come back to our content, go all the way up to the top again, and we'll search for the SK base. Just SK base. Open that up. Compatible skeletons is what we're looking for again here. And just make sure you're all the way over on the left up here. And we'll add the compatible skeleton of SK mannequin. This is adding the Lyra skeleton animations down to the MetaHuman, I believe. Save. All right, so we've made those 3 steps. Next, we'll go and grab that blueprint we just modified out of our samples. We'll create a copy for good measure. And then we'll go ahead and copy this into the Lyra Cosmetics folder, where the other ones are. Cosmetics. I'm gonna open this up just to make sure that that skeletal mesh, it does have the CopyPose. Excellent. Compile, save. And then the last part here is we're gonna go into the random character picker. And what this does is picks a cosmetic to spawn. And rather than picking Manny or Quinn, we're gonna just set them both to pick our crowd character. Oh, one additional thing. If you go into your crowd character on the main piece, you have all the options here for how you change and customize that character. You can also set random. So this will be how you change and store your different clothing options. All right, right about 6 minutes here. And we'll go ahead and pull this character in. Compile, save. Let's do a save all. And we'll should be able to see it once we go into one of the player shooter levels. You can now see down here in the asset browser content window, the character has a different mesh since we turned on randomization. This is a fresh playthrough, so it had to compile some shaders. All right, there we are. We have one of our characters, and if we found our buddy, they should all be different. There you go. You got one of the women over there, and everything works. All right, good luck to you. I'll see you out there, and follow me on Twitter at @mburninghausen or Aggressive Mastery or Roadless the Game. See ya. Oh man, that accuracy, right? We need to do something about that.